Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So in today's video we are going to be making paprika powder. Very red, very nice, good for marinating meat, for barbecue and for other dishes. Do enjoy this video. It's very simple to make. Just sun dry your peppers and you blend, and that's all. As simple as that. I'll be taking you through all the process. So you first of all rinse your peppers. You are using these fat ones. It's called tatashe, or I don't know if you can find it in your area, you can buy it, or you can use red bell peppers. So you cut them open to remove the seeds because the seeds are bitter, but don't worry if you can't get all of it out, because by the time it dries out it's going to be easy to just blow them away. So you cut them into tiny bits and spread in the sun. So this dry season now is the best time to do this kind of thing. So if you can do it in large quantity and store, because it has a good shelf life actually when it's totally well dried. You can do it in bulk and store. So this is it. After cutting all of them up, I'm going to share them into 2 different trays so that it can dry easily. And I went to dry this took 3 days to dry. So if you have a dehydrator, you can also use a dehydrator. So this took 3 days to dry and it's well dried and crunchy. So you go ahead and blend this up. So as you can see, the seeds are easy to separate now from the main peppers. So if you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos you'll be the first to know. And let me know if you are just subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching this video and I so much appreciate you. So it's time to blend. Pour it into your grinder, the little one, and just blend it up. So this was what came out of all that quantity of pepper I dried and blended. It's quite a lot though, because I bought one small medium basket. If you're in Nigeria, you know the basket I'm talking about. For how much? 1/8, and I used half of it. So you can see the quantity I got from this. It's fair enough, because if you are buying paprika powder from the stores, you know how much it costs, and this is natural, no added coloring and anything. So this is natural food coloring. If you want your stew to be red, just use the fresh one and add it to your stew and you'll see the difference. It's just a game changer for your stews and your jollof rice. But if you want to marinate your chicken, this powdered form is good, because you just sprinkle a bit of it and marinate for your barbecues and any other thing. Like if you want to do barbecue fish, chicken and all the rest, even soya, you can add this to your soya spice too. So add a little bit of salt to preserve it, and you are going to let this air dry. Let the air just enter into it, because the blender is very hot. As it is now, it's hot because of the blending. So you let it air dry before storing it into your container so that it will not start getting spoiled. So you pour it into your container and they're good to go. You can also add a little bit of cornstarch if you want, but I don't want to add cornstarch. And this is what we have. So this is the jollof rice I made with the fresh one actually. So I just want to show you how red it is. So you don't need to add anything that has color in your jollof rice at all. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.